Hello, this is Kerry Plemons, one of the lead faculty for High Performance Leadership. We call it HPL. I love HPL. It's literally one of my favorite programs in this university because we take you off campus, put you in an experiential leadership opportunity, and really help you grow your capacity for the self-confidence you probably already have, but you find a new way to exhibit that when you get through the program. There's a great research on this. So Daniel Goleman and Peter Singh, both really great writers on this world, say you cannot learn leadership in a classroom. You can learn ideas about leadership, but you need the experiential activities that say, this is where my leadership worked, this is where my leadership failed, and that's where the Daniels difference really comes into play. We're gonna take you up in the mountains, we're gonna get you a little bit uncomfortable, we're gonna have a whole bunch of laughs, but we're gonna allow you to experiment with your new leadership capabilities. Please come join us, we're gonna have a lot of fun.